Welcome to our channel. This is Mr. Nino Mawas Catorza, your licensed real estate broker with PSA license 00-15450, and that is my Facebook account. So here comes our property for sale. This is 12,838 square meters with mango trees, approximately 20 pesos, and with several coconut trees. But the coconut trees are not really good, no? Di alin na maayo. Then, so it is located in Cabantian Hills, Gindolman, Bohol. So it's an overlooking view to the sea. And just few minutes drive from National Highway. Dool ra gid siya, guys. Then few minutes drive from the White Sand Beaches in Anda and diving site. So dool ra siya sa mga diving site. And this is really good location. Good for retirement, or you can even have your piggery, or just like we say backyard, or backyard piggery, or backyard poultry. So that is the situation of the property. So see, so that is flat and rolling terrain. There are neighborhoods who are also foreigners with Filipina wife, no, mao na sila, guys. Na mga neighbors diha nga mga Pilipina ang mag-asawa. Very fresh air, nindot yun kayo, no? Fresh air. As you can see, I said sea view and mountain view. So as you can see, guys, it's really a mountain type of property. Bukid siya pero nindot kayo na aka sa kuan kanang lugar na mingaw. So it's quite, no, it's quite place. Then you can see the view of the sea, so facing Mindanao Sea. So there are people also during daytime were walking, no, walking around the area. Walking sila outside of the property. Dito nas gawas, no, they will, because there is a road circumference of mountain Cabantian Hills, no, na road diha nga murag tuyok ra bitaw sa kabukiran diha sa Cabantian Hills nga daghan jud mag-walking diha kay ganahan magod sila kaayo. Ang uban biking and walking. So this is really good property. So the video is 27.42 minutes, no. It's up to you to scroll more or unsa basta nindot ni siya nga property. Then there are inquiries, but we're not really sure for the final decision, but we're still continuing the selling of this property. So mao gid ni siya, guys, no. This is the situation, no, the situation of the property we are selling. So see, the boundary on the when we are facing to the sea, the left side of the property is creek, the boundary. So there are also native what we call kanang gitawag na muglumboy, mura na siya grapes, native. So nindot ta kayo, lami kayo na kaunon, tawag na mo naglumboy. Ni turok na diha ni, it was just only automatically, no, grown up. So masa ni kanindot sa location, guys. We can see that it's really very quiet, safe, okay, because no history of any incident, no. So nindot kayo. This is the west part of Bohol province. Eastern part of Bohol province. Eastern part. Then approximately 2 hours and 30 minutes, or 2 hours drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. So nindot yun kayo ni guys, na diha mga resort. There are resort, no, mountain resort in the area. Then as you can see, the soil is mixed with rocky rocky type, no, batuon siya nasa yuta sa soil, then it's more really very strong, no. uh, if you develop on the property, nindot kayo siya because it's really like a rocky and soil mixed with soil and rocky na batuon siya, mga kuan ra gyud. So maybe as you can see, no, nitubo magtarong ang mga kuan, mga sagbot. So meaning you can have your gardening or sama. This is the creek guys, no, creek area, but this is the boundary line, no, na yung mga bato yun, no? You can use this in your additional improvement, no. So that is then by going back to the property line, so now you can see the mango trees, no, mango trees. The good thing is it's really kuan guys kanang we can say that it can have your income generating because you have already a mango farm. So matawag ko nig mango farm. So nindot gyud kaayo guys, no. Again, the price is 5,500,000 pesos net. So owner, no, since the person who is delivering the prices, or the price is the foreigner, the wife, the husband of the Filipina. So ang nagkontrol sa presyo guys is the foreigner yun. So ni-contact siya nako kay he wants to buy a condominium, no, in Tagbilaran. At his age na nakuno siya sa medyo edad na, nagdepende man gud guys kay do naman sa ito yung mga idara na nga ganahan jud ani, no. They are at old age that like this kind of property. Then there are also like this guy, no, the owner, the husband of the Filipina, wants to sell because he wants to convert into a condominium, residential kuan kanang Pinoyanan dwellings. So mao na siya guys. Di na siya ganahan o mukuyo o bukid, although tawag na ni Bukids mountain area, ni adiri ang nindot. This is really the best and very good positioning. Okay, ako sa akong googling, no, ganahan lang ko mag-farming. I like to have a goat farming or cow, no, and have my own cow or chicken farm. You can do this in this area. Imagine this is 1.2 hectares or 12,838 square meters. Then here comes the drone video. So ang atong gigamit diri guys is nagdrilling gid sila. Nagdrilling or nagtabay mao ni gigamit sa mga tao diri, the neighborhoods, no. So naa na diri nagkalitlag ko ano. So nindot ni kay at least it's still affordable price. Honestly, the adjacent is also for sale at 16 million pesos. Almost, I think, almost the same, no? The same size. Pare-parehara sila. Then it's not the same view. This is the one of the best view. So we are still receiving more inquiries. Dawat yapon mi og mga inquiries because we cannot the selling is kuan good guys kanang rush. This is like a rush sale, but the price is depends upon to the owner if he agrees on what is offering to a buyer, no. So nag-agad lang ni kung pila gyud i-offer sa buyer, basta ang sitwasyon lang yun nga gusto niya mahalin yun ang property as soon as possible. What I meant to say nga the owner wants to be sold as soon as the property is sold as soon as possible. So this is the uh, overview of the property, no, the drone video below, no, you can see that. So that is the mango trees. Then there are coconut trees that is outside of the property. There are 1 2 3 4, I think 4 5 6 7 8. The yellow color coconut trees, no, the leaves which is yellow is part of the property. Kato mga yellow color nga kuan guys, part to sa property, murag kulang lang gyud nag-abono. If you are thinking to kuan ni siya kanang imo ni siyang murag bunuhan, nindot sa ni siya bunuhan lang pabasin pa diag maulian, makabunga pa mala sa kay kuan, or you can plant a new one, no, like which is dwarf coconut trees. Pwede ra yun. So I said it's flat and rolling terrain. There are some parts of the property is belongs to the mountain, no. Wala po dito katong taas kaayo. Again, in that area, in that location around Cabantian Hills, there are mountain resorts and no history of landslide. So wala gyud nahitabo nga nag landslide yang napita because as I have said, the soil is mixed with rocky rocks, no. Bato gyud siya, di basta-basta. Although you can still they are using backhoe heavy equipments to develop more, no. So mo ni gigamit niya. So again, it's few minutes drive from town proper. Nasa shopping mall sa Gindulman, guys. So nindot gid kayo. Again, diving area na po dito. So it's really very very nice. So ato lang siguro ning sagulan og audio nga lain, no. So again, no, kani mga boundary gilid ng mga lobby, nindot na kay na. This is located at third lot, no. Third lot, ikatulo nga lote gikan sa Concrete Road, barangay Concrete Road. And he has, no, the owner has already a document for the road right of way. Nasa dokumento sa road right of way na nagyud na. It was signed and notarized by a lawyer, signed by the adjacent and notarized by a lawyer. So all you have to do is to develop, no, i-develop lang nimo. Although I estimated it just only as estimate, ha, depende na mga 50 mil igo na siguro na. Gamitan na nimo gamay nga backhoe. In the meantime, you can still walk, no, kaagi gyapon ka. Gamitan nimo backhoe nga gamay, guys, awa na lusot na ka dito. So pwede sigurohon na nimo agyanan motor, or you can use your car basta mapatag-patag lang siya. Murag cut and field ang sitwasyon. So you just have to visit first to the property. So ingani ni guys, it's really very very nice, no. Nice kayong view, fresh air again, no. Then climate during night time, nindot kayo, very cool, no. No use of aircons. Kaya mura ka nag-aircon dire. So na siya, guys. Na po nag-develop on, naggamit auto backhoe. There's a backhoe on the other side, no. So meaning it can be developed. So pwede siya gyud ma-develop. Mag yun naka nindot sa atong property nga ginabaligya, no. So ano siya, guys. Since the owner is not kanang pricing it too much, this is the opportunity, no. Wala kayo ni presyo ang owner since he is also a foreigner. He's a foreigner. So sigara magod ang mga foreigner magbaligya, mga mahal na dia. There are neighbors, no, selling the property at 1,000 pesos per square meter. Then there is also selling, yeah, imagine almost the same 16 million Grabe, marag di na po na ko ano, pero depende ug naa kay kwarta, paliton nimo adjacent. Pero kini na lang guys kay 5.5 million pesos. Mas maayo pa gyud ni. No? Pero kanang mga mahal diya, maabot na pud nga mahalin lagi na siya. Kay og mahurot na ni, no? As for me, those higher price in the adjacent could be sold soon because no more because almost no more lower price or cheaper land in the area. Manay mga barato, puro na mahal. Pero sige lang, na may barato-barato guys, pero dako sad nga area. Kadtong among 7 hectares nga gi-offer, no, for 350 pesos per square meter. And there is still 1.6 hectares, no, na adi siya. Not title, pero 300, I think it's 300 pesos per square meter. Dili lang titulado. Still part of Cabantian Hills, no. Pero it's a resale guys, nindot na sad to, pero in the meantime kini lang gyud sa atong i-focus, no. So mana siya, mga boundary na siya. Nana na yung mga there are perimeter fence of the other property. Kini this is the part of the property. Again, the yellow color coconut, is part of the property. Mga pilara several 1 2 3 4 5, no, ang maklaro 4 5 na mga. Pero if you are going to put some fertilizer on that coconut trees, dapat day 6 7 8 9 napay mga more or less nas mga 15 to 20, no. Pero all you have to do is to put some fertilizers on this coconut trees. So it's really very nice. Okay ra gyud siya kayo. So see, this is the boundary line, no? Makita na to ng mga creek side. You can see the mango trees, a lot of mango trees. Daghan gyud kayo, no. Mga 20 fruit bearing mango trees. 20 ra. So nindot kayo. Makakuan gyud ta, no. It's really very nice. See? Again, you can see the road, no, at the back of the mountain, no. Anak sila mag-walking guys. There are many people, no, mag-walking ya, by group sometimes na dito. Kini nga road, anak sila mo walking, jogging ang uban diha. Pwede magong nindota. Kana nga road guys. You can see, no, going to the property. So very very nice property for sale, no. That's Mindanao Sea, and there are diving site, no, diving site in the area, no, diha na. So for the buyers, no, mga di lang gid may mag-agad kanang pinaspasay gini, first come first serve. So mo ba, first come first serve ra gyud guys, wala tay. Pero nalagay mo ingon nga mo palit, okay na gyud, wala problema. Ato na lang i-close ang deal if ever, no. Then we'll talk, we'll actually if you are going to talk with the owner, with the foreigner, we'll have a schedule, no. Ato sa siyang pa scheduleon kay he's busy also, no. Di na to basta-basta. Nara siya sa Pilipinas until May 2026. Aman ra siya sa Mayo. So kung mula pa sa wala na gid siguro, basig next time baligya ni na mahal na. For now we can have the opportunity. So as you can see na mga daghan nga labong mo na siya no kanang there's so many trees no around is that is the creek area no going down to the road. So you can contact me at my number or message me at my uh, email address. Manay akong ginagamit kanunay. So more properties at www.propertyph.net. So maunay ato ang website ginagamit guys no. So mana no again the property we're selling is 12,838 square meters. So maunay ato ang baligya jud no. So nindot kayo gyud guys no. That is the road no going to the highway and to the property. Asa man ka makakita ana. So imagine this is 1.2 hectares. You can even develop a mountain vacation resort. Yeah. Basta nindot kayo. Yeah. Mayroon ka problema ka sa tubig, there's no problem with the water. As you can see, you can ask the neighbor also. So I think they can answer also regarding the water system. But I have noticed other property of adjacent property is using drilling system, then put water pump no. So nindot kayo nga lugar guys, super no. Very quiet vacation, sekreto lang ba. It's like a secret heaven. Again guys no, the price is 5.5 million pesos. Wa ta mag-agad og per square meter. We are not using per square meter. It's 5.5 million pesos net. That is the price. That is really his price. Actually, he was intent to sell at 1,000 pesos. But I told him it's not easy. It's too high. Then he contacted me again. Okay, I will just have a price of 5.5 million pesos. So, mana na siya guys. Nindot na kayo no. So, again, that coconut trees, ay mo na lang ng tarungon. Nindot sa na kay lubi. So, okay. And there are also Gemellina trees, big trees, mahogany trees, which is part of the property that you can still use for development. Okay, you can also have a solar on your mga solar, gamitan gining mga solar, daghan kay mahimo diri guys. You can tour with the neighbors, you can ask no, pangayo kag mga advice sa mga neighbors ug imo ning paliton okay ano? Ba diri lugar. So kini this is the road right of way guys no. Gitan-aw man ni sa one of the representative of the buyer. So mao ra gid niya imong developon. This is na that part no. Dili man siya kayo ingong dako gyud no kay nindot ra ni siya nga access 3 meters wide kay kuan man guys. Karon man puy mo agi. You are the one using on this road no. When you go on this corner 16 million kay kuan. Gapo sa noon. Kana diyan ang corner duha na mo moagi silbi. And this is what I said, this is also for sale at 16 million. You can still contact me also no, regarding kwarta paliton ako ni for 16 million. So tilang tandaan na 16 million pesos. So na trespassing. This is the road no going to the kuan. Dili pa siya develop yun. Although you can use together man kay ni kuan man sila naman sila agreement. So mana na siya guys. You can see the rocky good style no, rocky pero makuan na gid sa bako. So Nindot, no. Again, thank you and God bless to all. And thank you for watching, guys, no. It's 27.42 minutes ang ato ang video. So di basta-basta.
Oh,
Taas-taas yun.
wala
You
pa.
can
Murag
scroll,
wisik-wisikal na pagsiminto ba?
Scroll lang para makita
Oh.
gid nimo kung unsa gid ni siya, no. Then pag abot dire, it's already a barangay
Aw
road.
kini Ginoo.
Nindot na
Bubo
kaayo.
ra man pud to, antusan lang to niyag dibelo.
After the concrete,
Mga 100,000 gahinan niya markaya ra yun.
But there was already a budget, according to my friend, no. Nanay budget nga i-continue na gyud ang road concreting. So ano yung problema? Nindot lagi basta di mo magmahayan nga property. Clean title, super clean title. Neat lang.
Akong giingon sa 100,000, pwede na siguro apel ng siminto ana. Kaya na. Mane, at least ato lang i-apel og video ang kalsada ba.
And this is the
Pero kaniging
rough
kalsada,
road
ma'am,
that
murag
is not
naa
yet,
na siya budget sa
concrete.
kalahi.
Pero
Wa
mubo
pa lang
naman ni guys.
continuous
This is not
tura
long
sa
road.
ibabaw.
Murag
Ah,
morning nga property.
Short, this is just only a short rough road. No?
Katuning
Asa ni dapit?
So,
Ah,
ganun
padung
kung
dito sa
auto.
ilang
How
gigang
much
anak
more
kalsada. Foreigner
wala.
sa.
Ang tag-iya, ang i-receive.
Oh.
Nindot kayo.
Kay murag gidak-an ra sila ba?
Pila man dito ka kuan, ma'am?
Magtayog na po ko'y 5 million. Ay butan tag 4 million kadto na lay ako ah.
Pila to ka.
Oo.
Katong gidak.
Napay mangga.
Oo, gwapo ang mangga og kuan, gwapo pagkatubo sa
Oo.
mangga. Dili tiguwang na ba na magoy kuan nga. Ang mangga kana bitong murag kanang tiguwang na bitaw.
Oo.
Kato kay murag. Niya gitong atimanon grabe tumubo.
Oo.
Anon ra man na siya kanang haling-haling. Pila the area atong iyang gitan-aw, ma'am?
Asa?
Katong iyang kagidak-an. Katong may mark kalat for sale.
Kato?
Ah.
5,000 po.
Wa ko abo pila di yung area.
Ah, ginahalan na sa 1,000?
5,000 ra iya hanggi.
Nagalkal na nga ito kalbiro.
5,000.
Ako na.
May
For sure na
mga
din
tao
may
guys.
baligya
So,
sa foreigner.
wala man eh.
Basin.
This is the road.
Salin sa siguro.
So, we are close to the highway.
Dakan siguro siya mo nang
Doon na lang ta sa highway. So, mana siya guys.
Kuanan kasi patay.
Doon na kita sa highway.
Highway na.
Thank you and God bless to all.